Hey everyone! Today I am going to show you how to back up your WordPress website. This is a very simple procedure. This is part of a series of videos in which I will repair an old website. This is video 1 in which I will create a backup. Step 1: Go to Plugins. Add New. Install a plugin called Updraft Plus. Activate it. Now click on Settings. Click the Updraft Plus button. Now click Backup Now. Download this backup by clicking each element like Database, Plugin, Themes, Other. After downloading all 4 folders, your website is backed up completely. This was quite simple, and I will meet you in the next one.